Well, we've arrived, and guess what? There's a wine tasting going on. Sorry for the bucket hat, gone back to the 90s as it is, but it's so warm. It's 21 degrees, sun's fully out. I don't want to be burning me bonds anymore, but yeah, fancy Veni, Bidi, Bibi, turning up at a campsite. There's wine tasting going on. The Sauvignon Blanc was very, very nice, and the red was also very, very nice. We did not try the blush, and we didn't try we did try the other one, the expensive one at €10.75, but it wasn't for us, as the Irish would say. But yeah, I'll give you a little description about the campsite in a little while. Yeah. Right, for the fourth time.
We've had gimbal problems.
Yes, it's definitely dying.
I mean, you know, like if you're going to have a problem in your life, have a gimbal problem.
Anyway, where are we?
Tavira.
Tavira. We are at the motorhome park up. We did try to get onto the campsite just to the northeast of the city.
And it gone crazy. It was just a sign in the window saying shut.
Yeah.
But
and
there were people in there.
Yeah, and they'd actually pulled the gate across and locked it, so you couldn't get out at all.
No.
And we couldn't get in, neither could the German couple who had arrived in a car with a tent.
Yeah.
So we came down here, and we luckily enough
got the last pitch.
Very last pitch, and guess what? They had wine tasting on.
You like
which,
that?
even though I filmed it first, I will edit it so it appears magically behind us.
God, you see what you can do? Look at this glass of wine that you poured for me.
Well,
I mean, that's mental, isn't it?
Yeah, that's not the...
He's expecting me to cook.
That's not the £7 bottle of wine.
No.
That's the €7 for 5 litres bottle of wine, a box of wine.
Yeah. Anyway.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Yeah. If you're down here, it's a huge site, very popular, always busy. They reckon that from 8 o'clock in the morning there's vans turning up and queuing outside waiting to see if they can get a space in here.
That shows how very lucky
we were. Very lucky.
We're always lucky.
We're always lucky. First, always have a second choice. Couldn't get it first. We could have gone there, back there, but you know what? Don't really matter. We did a bit of shopping this morning. We're even going to try and cook outside tonight, because guess what? You can display camping behaviour. So we've got the chairs out, we've got the table, we're going to get the kadak out, we're going to fry up some chicken kebabs. Ooh, yeah. Buffy's licking her lips already.
Well, I'm going to have veggie burger.
Yes, she is. But anyway, enough of our rattling, because we don't know whether you like the rattling or you're just here to see the beautiful views. Beautiful views and what the village or the town of Tavira has got to offer.
We'll find out tomorrow.
We'll find out tomorrow. And here's to living on £41.52 a day so far since we set off.
I hate all your maths. Oh, there's lemons over the... there's a lemon tree over there.
And I hate you getting distracted by, ooh, oranges, cat, bird. Anyway, catch you later, folks. Morning, everyone. It's Saturday morning. And yes, it's baking hot. And it's about, what time is it?
But it's probably afternoon, actually.
I don't know what time it is, because like, who cares?
Yeah. But anyway, nobody will be watching Match of the Day today.
Yeah, anyway, we won't be watching it. Not today, not tomorrow, not any time. But keep up the good work, Gary Lineker.
Yeah.
You know, sometimes you just got to speak your mind. And speaking of my mind, we're going to go and see what Tavira's got to hold for us. It's about 2 kilometres.
It says 100 metres.
1,000 metres for your left leg and 1,000 metres for your right leg, I think is what they're talking about. But Google Maps has said it's 2k. But that's nothing for us, especially for somebody who's starting to ramp her walking back up.
Well, in my flippy floppies.
Yeah. Hey, and I've got my sandals on. Whoever thought?
Don't show them pictures of your feet.
Well, yeah, no. And you know, because Helen did try and get rid of my holiday sandals. She
Try
said
and get
they were,
rid of his feet, but
yeah,
didn't work.
no, but it's great. All suntanned.
How many have you had?
I haven't. It's the orange juice. It's fermenting. They're all suntan lotioned up, so I shouldn't be burning my feet. And if I do, I'll have to be going, ow, oh, I look like a proper geezer in my bucket hat. But anyway, we're gonna go.
Far too silly.